Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Legend of Wrestling. Accompanied by his manager, Mr. Fuji, weighing 292 pounds, from parts unknown, I give you Demolition Smash. Demolition Smash is not the original Smash of Demolition, but become Demolition in the early 1987 with the gimmick of Demolition Smash, along with his partner, Demolition X. Demolition Smash along with his partner X and also along with his partner Crash become 3 times tag team champions. But Smash had also some single matchup. February 26, 1990, Demolition Smash has a match against a member of the Indian family on Prime Time Wrestling, and this match was against the Savage Aku. On SummerSlam Fever 1990, Demolition Smash collided with Jim the Anvil Neidhart. On May 18, 1991, Demolition Smash collided with a true legend, the Hall of Famer, the Ultimate Warrior. On Madison Square Garden, on June 3rd, Demolition Smash has a match with the Dragon, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. On July 8, 1991, Demolition Smash collided with Grimmer Van Time. On Prime Time Wrestling 1991, Demolition Smash has a match against the legendary Jake the Snake Roberts. It's not a secret, Demolition Smash as a single competitor looks like a jobber, the greatest match of his career when he was a part of the Demolition. And speaking of Demolition, on this channel you can find a review of this amazing team. This is Demolition Smash, my friends, one of the greatest of all time. In my opinion, he deserves to be inducted in the WWE Hall of Famer. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, like, leave a comment and subscribe for more WWF Hasbro Legends videos. So long, everybody!